Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, November 23rd, and this is my full top-down analysis for the US dollar yen. We're starting on the monthly, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I mean, the sort of time frames make you think that this thing is getting ready to turn down in a big, big way. But to be honest with you, the monthly to me is nothing but bullish. It made one wave down, three waves up, one wave down, 61% fib, and now it looks like it's just back into the uptrend. Never broke any structure to the downside. It is definitely still in an uptrend on these higher time frames. And the higher time frames are often telling you the correct story, which is why, the fact that the shorter time frames make you think it's going down may actually just be a like an illusion, and the higher time frames are the ones telling the correct story, which that is that we are definitely still in an uptrend. So going down to the weekly, this is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. We're sitting at the 90%, and the 90% definitely can be an area of resistance. If we do see a break of structure on shorter time frames, then we definitely want to start looking for shorts. So keeping that in mind, going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is roughly where I want to see the break of structure, because this is where we have the end of a pullback right here, and then we have high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. We do not have a break of structure on this time frame, which makes me think, and also the most recent structure is way down here, which makes me think that this is very likely going to keep going up. So this move down that I see right here, I am definitely looking at as likely just a pullback to this last wave up. So keeping that in mind, also taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where we put our Fibonacci retracement on the last series of higher highs, higher lows, which is obviously right here. We definitely do have a break of structure on the 4 hour, so I would justify looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. But like I said, there's a very good likelihood that this move down is just a pullback within an uptrend. So what does that mean? That means there's a very good likelihood this is like a wave A. Then it makes some sort of a wave B, maybe a wave C, and then just keeps on trending up. So yes, we could justify looking for shorts. And while we're looking for shorts, if we're wrong about this being a pullback and it actually just keeps on going down and breaks that daily time frame structure, then great. While we're looking for shorts, if it makes a three-way pullback, bounces from a fib level, breaks structure to the upside, then we'll just simply stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like the wave A possibly could end soon. We definitely have what looks like it could be a complete structure to the downside for the wave A. So really, if we start getting breaks to the upside, then the next move would probably be a crescent to the whole move down, like a wave B, and then we would probably get another push down for like a wave C, just like I was showing on the higher time frames. But if this really is some sort of a top on the daily and the weekly, then it possibly could make a lower high, go down, make a lower high, go down, make a lower high, and go down. So if you see a break to the upside on the 1 hour time frame, that should give you more confidence to try to trade to the long side for wave B. Just keep in mind that there is a chance that this is a top up here. I really don't think it is, but if it is a top, then it will continue to make impulsive movement to the downside, lower lows, lower highs. Break a structure to the upside. Next move is probably a crescent to the last move down, like a wave B, or maybe a wave two. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.